I'm feeling this is Monet's way, Monet's pod. Good morning. Now 5:30 a.m. Weather is rain. Checkpoint. Distant. No water. Rain day, I can sleep this tent. Nice. Especially this mattress. It's really good. 10 out of 10. Good morning again. 8:30 a.m. Cold. I don't want to take off this sleeping bag. Still rain. So this meaning is I can get rain experience. I have raincoat. No problem. I guess. Nice size. Yeah, I can wear on the jacket. A little bit neck small, but yeah, good. It's good. What a nice view. There's mist. Okay, finished packing. So much rain. What do you think? Should I give up? Come on. Just rain. Water. I'm human. What is the water is problem? Okay, let's go to the Monet's pod. Rain didn't need rain boots. No. Plastic bag is enough. Mountain looks like Goku. Kaio Mountain. 10 times. It's burning. Mountain always using Kaio Mountain, but I don't want to use. I hate lose, but I cannot use Kaio Mountain. So, but I have one way. My power up way. Alcohol. Woo! I didn't see shop between when my tire was broken to here. No shop there. Yeah, that's why I got alcohol. Nice. I'm thinking now, what is a better? Have lunch. I mean place. Yeah. Here, see? There is roof. Yeah, so protect from rain. Yeah. So easy to eat. But I want to have lunch. A good place, good view place. Yeah. But I'm not sure. From there is some like a roof area. Now I'm drinking alcohol, yeah? When I'm hungry, alcohol is getting like get high soon. Yeah. That is good. That is good. So I can enjoy. But I'm hungry. Yeah, what is the best way? Yeah, I try. Here, have lunch, boring. You know? I have luck. That's why. Yeah. Looks like start fight. Mountain and me. Yeah, must be hard way. I don't lose, cause I drank alcohol, man. Still has snow. I don't climb long way, but still have snow. That's strange. I hate heavy bicycle. I hate. See? Fuck you, fuck you. Cannot stop easily. If I stop, have to pull up. But cannot. Fuck. Ah. Fuck. Fucking annoying. Fucking annoying. I drink alcohol here. So heavy, fucking heavy. Shit, this rubbish. Rubbish. Chill, rubbish. What is the best way? This is problem. Monet Spot 2.3 kilometer more. Already I spent 5 hours. It's so hard. But look at that. Nature is more beautiful. Yeah. Okay. Let's go. What is this? Time machine? Yeah, this one. It's writing Namonaki Ike. No names pod. Where is it? Sign is right. Yeah, must be near from here. No way. No way. I don't see yet, but I'm feeling. This is Monet's Lake, Monet's Pod. Come on. Oh yeah. There's some kind of fish we call koi. Oh, oh, oh. Golden fish. Wow. But water not clean. Yeah, only this kind of fish is here. I spent a long time. Oh my god. The point is 2 out of 10. Just small pot. No big difference. Water is the river is beautiful water. River is good. Here, no. Don't need to come here. Don't need to come. Is he hiding or sleeping? Cute. Okay. Yeah. Visit this shrine. Yeah. This shrine also not big different. Okay. Why here is famous? I don't understand. Maybe weather. No. Especially, I spent 2 days. That's why. Yeah. Okay. Today's mission is finished. Yeah, go back home. Maybe I have to stay 1 or 2 days more. Yeah, return way also long way. Yeah. Whew.